So today's video all started because I went to At Home and I saw this adorable pumpkin topiary, but oh my goodness, it was $99 and I was gonna need two. So I went home and I looked online and Grandin Road had them for $259 a piece. So no way, I decided I'm gonna make them myself. I headed to Michael's where the pumpkins were 50% off and I got all three pumpkins for $30. So here is how you make this craft. A super simple way to make a diamond stencil is to just cut a square and then flip it to its side to be the diamond shape. Outline it in the pencil and then you can paint it. But everybody knows that I hate to paint, so what you could do is you could cheat and do like me, and off I went and printed it off on vinyl with my Cricut. If you do decide to use vinyl, just take your time when you are putting them on. It's a little bit difficult to get them super smooth with all the ridges from the pumpkins, but they definitely go on pretty nice. Since I cheated and I didn't paint the other pumpkin, I also cheated on this one to stick with the vinyl theme, and I printed little round white circles and I'm going to place that all over the black pumpkin. Next up, I just measured the length of the pumpkin and printed off black vinyl strips in order to place around the entire pumpkin. So drilling through the bottom, I didn't realize was going to be so messy. I was like, oh my goodness. So for the next one, I was like, hold it over the trash can. But if you don't have a drill, you can use a knife that's soft enough to cut. And then I used this Gorilla Glue. It's equivalent to E6000, and I just put some of that around and then place the pumpkins down over. Alright, so now that we have our main topiary all assembled, we're going to spruce it up. I bought this black glitter paint and I'm going to spray these grapevine wreaths. These wreaths were only $4.99 at Michael's and I actually had a 20% off coupon. So this is definitely a cheap option to go around the bottom just to give it a little extra pizzazz. So I basically just went around each one of them and sprayed them and just give them a little extra glitter and kind of darken them up and make them a little more, with our Halloween theme. So I decided to use some of the Halloween like black leaves just to kind of spruce mine up, and so I'm going to add that around between each of the pumpkins. And I figured, hey, I didn't spend $100 and I certainly didn't spend $259, so I'm just going to do a little extra to spruce these up. So basically I just add them around, I hot glued them, and then I also did add the E6000 glue just to give it a little extra strength since these are going to sit outdoors. I decided to add this adorable skeleton to the top of this topiary. He was only $5.99 at Michael's. I'll definitely list everything down below. And then you'll see the other choice that I made for the second topiary here in just a little bit. So after the wreath was all dry from the glitter spray paint, I decided to add just a little extra items to it to just kind of spruce it up and give it a little bit of personality. definitely don't feel like you have to add this if you're making one. The topiary will look amazing without all the extra added items. My goodness, this is so cute and it's gonna match my witch theme so awesome. And I love this second one. I feel like adding in this crow really did something. I saw that idea on the Grandin Road ad and I just was like, yes, I'm totally gonna do that. I hope you guys liked today's video. This was so fun to make and I'm so excited to have them and not spend very much money. Coming up soon is going to be a total reveal of my Halloween front porch. We'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye!